Hi, my name is Gertjan Hartog. I'm Chief Product Officer at Rollomatic, and I'm standing here at the GrindingHub 2026. Here we are showing our 630 RW3. It's a new model which looks very familiar for many of you, but it has a FANUC robot instead of our manipulator. Thanks to this FANUC robot we can improve a lot the capacity for the number of tools you can put inside this machine. Here we have a stacker where we can have up to 10,000 blanks ready for production. Over the years, Rollomatic has developed a lot of features to help create more autonomous grinding on the machine. For example, we have here a wheel changer with 16 wheel pack capacity, which is quite large, especially considering the surface this machine needs to put on. Also inside the machine, we can see a smart chuck system that can clamp from 3 millimeters up to 12.7 millimeters, and we have different probing features with touch probes and also with laser that can help check if the tool is into tolerance and keep that tool into tolerance. All of this makes it possible to grind with this machine for 14 days without any interruption. This is what we did in our showroom, but what we did here is 600 6mm straight end mills, 600 6mm ball nose end mills, 300 corner chamfer end mills in diameter 8, also corner radius tools in diameter 8, 10mm corner radius and 12mm corner radius tools, all without any human intervention throughout 14 days of production. Rollomatic is a Swiss-based company that makes tool grinding machines and tool lasering machines. We have solutions for the complete tool production and help our customers with a road to automation to create the best way to go from the standard grinding application to a full smart factory with AMRs that can do the job for your operators.